Hi, this is Shirish Kulkarni, the founder and CEO of Strot Consultech, which is a business consulting company helping small and medium businesses to grow. And we have been doing it for last 5 years. And with this new concept called as Hatke, we are talking to various business owners who have looked at their own businesses, business model, business processes in an innovative way to get it running in the current context of so-called challenge situation or constraint situation, and found out ways to be able to run it as well as be promising for themselves and others. We have a privilege of having Prasad Srimani, which is a well-known name in architecture for last more than 20 years in Pune, and also dabbling into another innovative venture that he has is about cycling for leisure. And so it is great to have Prasad with you, with us, and great to have you. So quick introduction, and Prasad, over to you.
Hi, thank you so much, Shirish. So my name is Prasad Srimani, and we are primarily into architecture and interior designing sector. We've been doing a lot of architectural work and corporate and residential interiors for last more than 20 years now. Recently, we have diversified into cycling holidays in Europe, and these two businesses are what we are running.
Mm.
Yes, the lockdown has stopped everything. Europe is completely closed, so the cycling part is now not working. Architecture and interior designing, all the sites and the projects are closed, so studio is also closed.
Mm.
We do certainly have challenges, but at the same time, it has given us a lot of time to introspect and see what all you can do.
Mm-hmm.
For all these years, I had some ideas and which I could not even touch or could not even think because we were busy with all our daily challenges, daily work.
Mm.
So this has given me enough time to think and kind of create a temporary blueprint for 2 or 3 different businesses possible.
Mm-hmm.
Those are aligned to my business of architecture. Also, I have some infrastructure ready, I have skill sets, and I have resources and possibilities.
Wow.
So I could kind of figure out 2 or 3 different businesses which I could launch, and maybe I can give bread to a few more people. Maybe I'll start hiring after the lockdown is over and start working on those step by step.
Mm-hmm.
A, B, we were also looking at the possibility. The cycling holidays, we were doing those holidays and leisure experiences in Europe. Now, it was for Indians. So we used to take Indians to Europe and
Oh.
do cycling holidays in Europe. On the other way, now I'm trying to get Europeans and working out on some routes in India,
Mm-hmm.
which are scenic. Is not as good as Europe, but we are looking at possibilities. And that is one point that I will start off after the lockdown is over.
So you're looking at, in fact, reversing the whole thing, the whole business, which was targeted for Europe. Rather than Europe, you are looking at whether the Europeans can come back here, right?
Yes, it's not reversing, it is adding another possibility.
Wow, wow. But that's
Yes,
like completely thinking out of the box, I would say.
yes, yes.
Wonderful.
And
And
then there are
yeah, please.
so other businesses that I was trying to do is we typically face challenges when interior designing students they come and join us as in our office as trainees or our offices as junior architects or junior interior designers.
Mm-hmm.
I feel there's a need of a small course for all these people
Wow.
that can bridge the gap between education and practical knowledge. We
Kya
do
baat hai.
have skill sets. I have people around me who are experts in their own domain. And I'm seriously thinking of starting a small course between graduation and between the work. So that is
Oh.
one possibility that we are starting. Other thing that I'm looking at as a possibility is um, what do you call it? Infrastructure maintenance or
Mm-hmm.
those kind of possibilities because that is not my interest or it is not even aligned to architecture, but the agencies are the same. So it may
Right.
give bread to some more people and 1 or 2 more things. That's it.
Wonderful. So we were talking about certain things that you questioned yourself, what is the kind of expense you have, and found a major asset, which is your own studio.
Yes.
You had some different perspective, right?
um, uh, it, this is going to be a game changer for everybody, not only me.
Mm.
Uh, probably this working from home and webinars and all this is going to work so much that I may not need my office hereafter.
Wow.
Maybe I can use it for some other purpose altogether, or maybe I just rent it out. But typically, I'm in my office for first 2 or 3 hours, and then I leave the office for site visits or other work, and the staff is working by itself. So why they might as well work at home, and then I can give responsibility of one project per head, and they can handle the project. We can meet on sites, we can meet at one particular place, brief them for the day, and they can start off. So it is going to be a huge expense cut. It's a possibility. It's kind of just contemplating how true, how good this will be. I'm not sure, but yes, it's possible.
So it's like, looking at your own asset, taking it out, making you working remote, plus giving these assets for some other business where you can get a continuation of revenue, which is annuity revenue.
Yes, that's possible.
Wonderful.
And hopefully that will work.
Good. I think brilliant ideas that you got. So do you spend good amount of time on brainstorming, or you have a group of people like-minded, or how does it happen?
I have some friends in business, a different business, not architecture, and me and my wife work together. So last 1 month, I've got a lot of time to speak to my wife on things other than regular things. So we started discussing ideas. Then whatever ideas I came up with, I spoke to some friends who are in business, who are in corporates, who are in marketing, who are in manufacturing, and started gathering some kind of possibility about my ideas. And after people started confirming or affirming those ideas, it has really boosted my thought process. So I've started working on this.
All right. So maybe after the breakdown is over, you see yourself as a completely different personality and a business as utilizing the opportunity in this.
Yes, I'll be definitely a different person. I mean, not be a different person, but then I will have a few more things under my basket, and then that is what I'll start. I'm sure after the lockdown, people are going to be business hungry. True. Yes, everybody's talking about it's going to take time, etc., etc., etc. But people will also be business hungry. So it will be a small pause, but there is nothing to worry. That's my feeling. Rather, I'm looking at it that way. Wonderful. Maybe the economic experts may say I'm a fool, but still, everybody will start finding business.
Right. I believe, in this current context, as you're pointing out, hope or positivity or the faith is the key to success. I think that's what is resonating from what you're saying, Prasad, right?
Yes. Hope. There's a nice एक सुभाषित है संस्कृत मध्ये आशा नाम मनुष्याणाम काचिदाश्चर्य शृंखला बद्धा यया प्रधावंती मुक्तहा तिष्ठन्ति पंगवत. आशा जर तुम्ही सोडून दिलीत, म्हणजे आशा ही अशी एक बेडी आहे जी तुम्हाला बांधली की तुम्ही धावता आणि तुम्ही सोडली की तुम्ही पांगळ्यासारखे पडून राहता. So I believe in it 100%, and that is going to work for everybody probably after the lockdown.
Wonderful. Any last message that you have for other people that are looking up to you, or you as a role model?
Message, I mean, probably the हे सुभाषितच मी तुम्हाला बरं सांगू शकेन की आशा नाम मनुष्याणाम काचिदाश्चर्य शृंखला. आशा सोडू नका and work towards it. Simple. Maybe you had enough time, ideate, innovate, and there is no dearth of business. And it's just probably a few months out of your life of 70 years. Maybe you're going back by 1 year or whatever, but it's just a small time of your life, and then you can actually pull back. I mean, it's like when you want to sprint, you go back 4 steps and take a run up.
And then sprint. Yeah.
I'm taking it that way, and then you can sprint it.
Cool.
That's it. All the best, guys.
Wonderful. I think, Prasad, that was really inspiring. Nice to hear your thoughts. Our best wishes for your ventures and new ideas to come true, and you being more and more successful. Thanks so much for coming on this initiative and sharing your thoughts. Very
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shirish. Thanks a lot.
Bye.